Okay. Welcome again, guys. I need to welcome you for every video that I'm going to upload. Um, Whilst my shrimp is in the oven cooking, I decided that I'll make some cornbread. It's nice and quiet in the kitchen. I have a lot of space. I have a lot of time. I'm not really sleepy, so it's like maybe about 2 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna get you some cornbread. So here are the ingredients for that skillet cornbread. Okay, guys. So here we go. We're making cornbread. We're making the skillet cornbread, and it needs a cup and a quarter of coarse cornmeal. This is what I have here. You combine this into the mixer. Cup and a quarter coarse cornmeal. A 3/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Half a cup of sugar. Put that in there. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of baking soda. So this is all combined in here. The baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll all combine this with the dry mixture. It's all in there. I'm using the whisk attachment so that I can get it all mixed in together. And we'll let that go for a little bit. Let it mix in. Now we're gonna get our wet ingredients together, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now guys, into the dry mixture for the cornbread, I'll just add the liquid portions. 1 cup of sour cream, not sour cream, buttermilk, and half a cup of regular milk. We're gonna add those in here. Okay, I need to get all of that out of there. 3 eggs, whisked. I'm gonna add that in here, and we're gonna mix all this up. 8 tablespoons of butter, melted. We're gonna add that in here. Okay, all this good stuff. It's gotta taste good. So let's get all this buttermilk and the cream and everything in here. I'm using my fingers because I know my hands are ultra clean. Right, to be washing my hands forever. So we turn this on, and we're gonna have this mix for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Not that long. We'll mix it until it combines, and then we'll bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Once this combines, we'll pour it into the pan, and we'll just have it just let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. So let that go for a few minutes, get all incorporated, and we'll be right back. So guys, here, cornbread comes out clean. That means it's finished. This is the cornbread that we were doing. So if you like this video, share and subscribe, and we'll have lots of other videos for you to return to. And thanks for watching. This is the finished product. This is the cornbread. Enjoy. Like, share, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Thanks for watching.